Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks with a wonderful video for you today. Today we're going to be blending together a cucumber watermelon fat flush smoothie. This is so delicious, you guys. This is one of my favorite detox drinks. You can drink this any time of the day. It's just refreshing, it's delicious, and it's for weight loss, okay? So let's see the kind of ingredients that we're going to need for this drink. We're going to need our pineapple juice. You're also going to need your real lemons. All right, if you got a lemon, use the real lemon, but if not, you can use the lemon juice, which is just the same, it's just as good. I've been using that throughout my whole detox journey, so it's okay. Okay, it's okay, y'all, it's okay. Next, we're going to be using 1 cup of our watermelon. Now this is a little bit more than a cup. This is going on almost 2 cups, but 1 cup is okay. I like the taste of watermelon, so I'm going to go with almost 2 cups. You're also going to need about 6 or 7 sprigs of mint leaves. Now this might be a little bit more, but freshly washed mint leaves, okay? 6 or 7 little leaves. You're going to also need a cup of cucumbers, peeled and cubed cucumbers. And lastly, you're going to need a 1/2 cup of the pineapple juice, which is the Dole's pineapple juice, okay? So let's start blending this up right now. Basically, you already know. All you got to do is put everything inside your blender and blend it. Okay, throw our watermelon in there. Throw our cucumbers in there. Toss our mint leaves in there. And this is a wonderful summer drink, you guys. And you're going to also add in 1 teaspoon of your real lemons. So if you're going to use the actual real lemons, you're going to juice or squeeze a 1/2 lemon. Lastly, we're going to add in our 1/2 cup of our pineapple juice. You can drink this along with any meal. You could throw some cubes of ice in there if you'd like. And if you use the ice, you can use 1 cup of ice. All right, just to make it a nice frozen smoothie. And let's blend this up. There are such wonderful benefits to this drink, you guys. Wonderful benefits. So I'm just gonna pop in my straw and give it a taste. This is refreshing. Oh my goodness, this is a flush. So with the ingredient of the cucumber and the water, which is mostly made up of fluid, of water, this is gonna have you going. This is gonna have your kidneys, so you're gonna be peeing a lot. This is delicious, you guys. You gotta try it, all right? This is a cucumber watermelon fat flush detox smoothie that you can enjoy throughout the year as long as watermelons are in season. And you can also play with other types of fruit. If not the regular watermelon, honeydew melon, all right? So many other wonderful fruits that you can add in that has lots of water. And it's a diuretic, so you will be peeing, all right? So thank you so much for joining me. It's a very quick, simple smoothie recipe for you to enjoy with a meal, by itself, whenever. But it's not a meal replacement, so don't use it as a meal replacement. If you want to add in some extra fiber, you can also put in some flax seeds in there, okay? Some chia seeds in there, and give it that extra punch, all right? Those are optional ways that you can make this drink even better. But listen, y'all, try it out. No sugar needed. The flavor from the pineapple juice, the watermelon, perfect. All right? So enjoy this wonderful fat flush detox smoothie. And let me know below how you like it. All right? Until the next video, you guys, I will see you then.
Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So I'll see you in the next video.